Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ARTEMIS coin. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is an Ethereum token, ERC20 token. And some of these ICOs, these initial coin offerings, can be kind of sketchy. So we're going to go over the information on this token, but we're also going to look for any audits. We're going to look for any red flags, any potential scam risks. We're going to talk about how you can get the token, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their official webpage is artemiscoin.co. Over there you can find their Twitter, Telegram, frequently asked questions, roadmap, how to buy. There's a big box that pops up on the webpage with a countdown. It says buy before the next price increases. And so basically right now it says 2 days, 13 hours until the next price increase. Right now, one ARTEMIS coin equals 0.00094 USD. So you can buy the token with either ETH, USDT, or a card. So basically you would connect your wallet to the page. It says connect wallet in a couple different spots. You connect your wallet to the page and you can buy the token with ETH or USDT. So your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you want to use. Fund that wallet with ETH and then you punch in how much you want to spend. It'll tell you how much ARTEMIS tokens you get for that amount. And then you'd simply just buy the token. And then how these pre-sales generally work is when the pre-sale is over, then you could claim your tokens. I mean, if everything goes well. So they do have an audit. I just noticed on their webpage. We're going to check out that in a second. It is by, it says Infinity Blockchain Solutions, which I have not seen many audits by them. So hopefully they are a legit auditing company because who knows, but we'll go over this in a second here. So it says, yes, Solidity Platforms Ethereum. So yes, it is an Ethereum token here. It says 18 decimal places. Total supply is 100 billion tokens. It says ticker symbol is ARTMS, and name of the token is ARTEMIS token. And it says, yes, this is valid. So I'm guessing they're saying it is a legit token, first of all. And then they're saying ownership control. Current owner can transfer ownership. Ownership can renounce ownership. So it says, or owner can renounce ownership. Yes, this is valid. We advise renouncing ownership to make the contract fully decentralized. This is kind of a weird audit company here. Hopefully they can. Okay, so let's we'll go over the full audit here in a second because it's kind of a strange audit. So it says the first innovative market project in the crypto world, ARTEMIS is more than just a coin. It's a groundbreaking vision for creating a dynamic marketplace where vendors, sellers, as well as service seekers and service providers converge. So it says there also their box where you buy the tokens is powered by Infinity Blockchain Solutions, which is the same company that did their audit, which is kind of strange too as well. I haven't seen that before. But okay, so it says we are redefining commerce in the digital age by combining the best aspects of blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and innovative market dynamics to create a seamless and secure platform for global trade. Seize the moment and invest in ARTEMIS today to unlock exclusive pre-sale benefits immediately. We believe in fast-tracking our community's success, which is why we're committed to launching swiftly. No long waits, just prompt opportunities and early rewards. Now, they do have the token address on their page. I've seen this advertised in different news articles, so they've been featured in Crypto News, Finbold, Yahoo Finance, You Today, Coin Codex, etc. It says their mission is to empower individuals and businesses by providing a decentralized, transparent, and efficient marketplace. ARTEMIS aims to eliminate traditional barriers to commerce, such as high transaction fees, middlemen, and geographical limitations, thereby enabling direct and secure transactions between participants worldwide. We envision a marketplace where trust, speed, and innovation drive economic freedom and growth. Some of the key features is a decentralized marketplace. So ARTEMIS operates as a fully decentralized marketplace enabling direct trade of goods and services using blockchain technology. We ensure all transactions are transparent, immutable, and verifiable, fostering trust among users. Also, utilizing smart contracts, ARTEMIS ensures transactions are executed as agreed without intermediaries, reducing fraud risk. Funds are released only when conditions are met. By eliminating intermediaries and using our native token, ARTEMIS significantly reduces transaction costs. Our platform offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional payment systems, ideal for small businesses and individual entrepreneurs. They also have global accessibility, innovative DeFi integration, and incentivized participation. So they go over how to buy in case you get stuck. Now, like I said, it's an Ethereum token. We have 15% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 25% of the tokens going to marketing, 25% going to project funds, 15% community rewards, 10% liquidity, 10% going to staking. So you can actually buy with MoonPay, it says here. There's a roadmap starting with website launch, social media blitz, contract and audit, building initiatives, pre-sale, marketing, DEX listing, platform development, central exchange listings, more marketing, the ARTEMIS market project launch, coin integration, community rewards program, platform feature rollout, strategic partnership, governance, and long-term sustainability plan. So they don't have much utility, but they claim that they're going to have utility in the future is basically what they're saying. So the audit report says there is no buy or sell tax. It says you can buy and sell the token, it says. Max tax, none. Modify tax, none. And fee check, NA. Honeypot, not detected. Trading cooldown, not detected. It says basically like they passed everything on here. But it says overall audit passed. But, I mean, I've never heard of this company before. And it says there is, yeah, I mean, I don't see any big warnings or anything like that. It says no critical, no high, no medium, no low warnings or anything like that. It says, so there is some informational issues. It says they're very low, like the smart contract has some functions which can be executed by the admin only. So just be aware that there is some stuff here. I don't know if they have actually renounced full ownership. It doesn't seem like it. And it says the current owner can also transfer the ownership to a new account. So just be aware that ownership is not renounced. That could be a serious problem. So I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm just saying it potentially could be a scam, especially if ownership is not renounced. So thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.